Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair with the new Revlon blow dryer brush. I picked this thing up not too long ago, so I've already used it like once or twice. That's probably why there's like a little bit of hair on it. Sorry about that. So honestly, this has been like life-changing. I love this thing so much. I can do my blow dry super quick. Now there's a lot of companies that make a blow dryer brush kind of similar to this one. I believe that Revlon was like the first one to come out with this. Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer Hot Air Brush. I picked mine up on Amazon and I got it for $48. You can pick it up at Target, endless amount of places right now. But honestly, like I said, I've used it twice and I love it so far. I just decided to make this video because a lot of people were asking me what I thought about it, and I just wanted you guys to see how good it is for yourselves. We'll talk a little bit more about it after I do the blow dry. So just like in my last video, I'm going to be using an IGK product. The one that I'm using today is going to be the Mistress Hydrating Balm. Put about that much. Put about that much and then just run it through my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna do kind of different sectioning. I'm gonna section off the whole top. This is gonna look funny. And then these two sections, I'm gonna go ahead and go straight down the middle and the back. Clipping this out of the way, and I'm gonna start right down here. So this is what the brush looks like. It's pretty thick, it's not that heavy. I'm not gonna lie, when I opened the box, I did say something like, oh my god, this is heavier than I imagined, but honestly, for the amount of metal that's on this thing, like, the weight is totally fine, and it's not uncomfortable to work with at all. It is kind of loud though, so I am going to put the audio down on that because yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and set it on high and get started. So it's honestly so easy to work with, and I feel like it dries the hair so fast, and it gives you that nice blow dry swoop at the end. I love it. I love it. And there you have it, guys. That is the magical work that this blow dryer brush does. It's super quick, it's super easy to use, it gets hot enough, it's affordable. Like I said, it's easy to use and my hair feels really, really smooth, so I feel like This device paired up with like a nice hair balm is just perfect. I personally have a ton of hair and I was able to do my blow dry in like 20 minutes tops, which is amazing for me because I love to blow dry my hair and I love the feel of like the bouncy ends and stuff like that, and I feel like this product is absolutely perfect. So if you're on the fence about buying this product, I would definitely take the jump and get it. Alright, and there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next, whether it's beach waves, how I flat iron my hair, doesn't matter. Just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to keep in mind the video ideas for videos to come. Super happy with my blowout. You guys need one of these in your life, for real. For real. What are you waiting for? Get it right now.